And today we're making magic potions.
Oh no, this one I think is underwater volcano.
Okay.
That's okay. So put the water in the...
I'm gonna do this.
Okay. And then this time we'll put the blue color.
Okay, is that enough?
Yeah.
I'm
That's
so
enough. Yeah.
shaking.
No.
There
Okay.
we go.
And then it says here, put 1 drop of blue color. Okay. 1 drop of blue color. Just one drop.
This is yours. This is yours. Come here. Here's yours.
Okay. 1 drop. Just 1 drop. Careful. There we go. Enough.
Okay.
And then you can stir it if you want. And then this time, after that, ooh.
It's turned blue. Yeah.
So, no, wait. So this is oil. What we're going to do is put this there until here. Okay, you can use the funnel. Put the funnel.
Can I do it?
Okay. No, you have to pour it here. I'll hold the funnel. And then be careful, okay? I'll tell you to stop. Enough. Oops. Just, that's it. Okay, good job. Not yet. We're supposed to put the baking soda first. Oh, well. Okay, you need to put 2 scoops of baking soda there.
Okay, I'm gonna just...
Wait, you need to get it from the inside.
Martina, imagine I'm a reporter.
What?
Okay.
Hi, scientist. What are you making?
I'm making an underwater volcano.
Okay, there you go. 2. No. Wait.
One more.
One more scoop.
Okay, loads.
Okay.
Okay. I think
Now
that's
can we
enough.
stir? Can we stir?
Not yet. Because you need to put this.
Okay, wait, grab some.
Okay.
I know how to open this now.
Okay. Put 2 scoops in it.
Okay.
Okay. Put
Put in there.
1.
Another one. Go. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
What
what's
is
that?
happening?
What is happening?
Oh, look at that.
Okay,
My goodness.
Don't mix it, Martina.
Wait, let me get this out of the...
okay.
Oh my goodness, look at...
An underwater volcano.
Yes.
Hi, scientist. What are you making?
Today we're making an underwater volcano, and this is our water volcano.
Oh my goodness, what's that? What is happening?
It's fizzing.
I know. Goodness. This is
Oh my, that's so good. Can you please not take a picture of me?
no, just look at that. Look at that.
I'm making
thing.
another one.
Wait, hold on. This is
Let it.
do you see that thing that's happening in there? It's like underwater waves, like current.
That's a good thing.
I know. Martha, it's okay. It's still happening. Look at
No, it's still
that.
happening. It's still happening.
It's like a underwater current.
Tornado.
Underwater tomato.
Tornado.
Oh, tornado. Oh my goodness, interesting. Good job, Lalab.
Can we make another one after that? It
Yes, we will.
explodes?
It's not going to explode.
You're the one that explodes?
What? My goodness, it's interesting.
My goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, Dad, I can put this in my room with a tray.
Okay.